Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your EA ID on your EA account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Electronic Arts. Now from this page, click on the account icon at the top right corner, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button. Click on the sign in button and then use your email address and password to log into your account. After logging in, click on the same account icon and then click on account settings. You will then be taken into your account settings page. Now as soon as you enter the account settings page, you will be able to find your EA ID alongside the welcome message at the very top. You can also find your EA ID underneath basic information which says EA ID. You can also change your EA ID if you wish by clicking on the edit button. Once you click on edit, you can change your ID to whatever you wish if it has not been already used by someone else. Just enter the EA ID that you wish to use and click on the save button, and then your newly set EA ID will appear right away. You can use this ID and share it with your friends, and they can easily find you on their game by simply typing in your ID. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your EA ID on your EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.